All right, we've got 3 more examples before I release you unto your homework. So we got 5, 6, and 7. I'm going to let you know right now. I love 7. It's a fun one. So we're going to actually do, we're going to do 5 kind of quickly. And then we're going to just review number 6, and it's going to be your job to put the final answer for number 6 in the slide. And then we're going to zip through number 7 as well. So here we go. Here's 5. If you need to pause and record, write this down. Go ahead and pause and write this down. But I'm going to go ahead and start with blue. And I'm going to rewrite this because this is f of g of 12. All right, f of g of 12. So I'm literally going to go in and start with the inside g of 12 piece. All right, that's just a number. Since it's just a number, woof, I can plug it in. Easy peasy. So I'm going to take g and I'm going to plug 12 into it. Square root of 12 minus 8. That is the square root of 4, and that is 2. So because I was able to take this inside piece, f of g of 12 is 2. Now I'm really doing f of 2. Way simpler. So my final answer here, f of 2, is going to be -4 times 2 plus 2. -8 plus 2, -6. Done. All right, see, I said 5 was quick and easy. Now, number 6, I'm not going to finish all the way. That's going to be your job to finish number 6 on the next slide, but I will help you to get started. So number 6 says find g of f of x. So I'm going to rewrite this as g with f of x on the inside. So we make f pink. All right, I like to make my inside pieces, the part that I'm going to sub in, I like to make them a different color. I like to try to make them stand out. So that helps me track where I put it. Now I am going to build the G shell. So here's the G shell, x squared plus 2x minus 8, x squared, 2x minus 8. That means I have to plug f into this problem twice. All right, so I have to put f of x here, and I have to put f of x here. X minus 1 and x minus 1. These problems where there's more than one location of x means that you got to sub in every location of x. So you might have to do some extra work. All right, so I've got g, I've got f. Now it's time to simplify. So I can switch to purple. Here we go. X minus 1 times x minus 1 plus 2x minus 2, I distributed the 2, minus 8. Your job is to finish multiplying. You might want to use FOIL if you don't remember quite how to multiply this out. Look up how to use FOIL. And simplifying. All right, so that's your job. That's what I'm looking for. All right, lastly, number 7, g of f of h of -6. This is a problem you can tell that I wrote because of the typing, how it's typed. But we're going to work again, always from the inside out. So if I track this down to the inside, the most inside piece, oh, I need one more color. Green. All right, so I've got G on the outside. Then I have F next. And then finally, I have H. Come on, green. And H actually has a number. That means that I can start with plugging in that number. So I take h of -6, plug it in. That gets me 36 plus 1, or 37. All right, so Now that I finished the first inside piece, I can rewrite this as G of F of 37. All right, so now green is done. Pink time. F of 37. That's the next function with the number to go into it. 2 times 37 minus 1. 2 times 37, let's see, 2 times 30 is 60 and 2 times 7 is 14. So 60 and 14 is 74 minus 1. You can check that in the calculator, but that's how my brain works. 73. Oh, that's cool. It's like the reverse of it. Not intentional, not a pattern, it was just cool. Okay. G. Now we're down to G of 73. All right, last one, G of 73. 3 times 73. All right, let's see if I can do this. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 7 is 21. All right, let's confirm that I'm not crazy. Well, we all know I'm a little out there. Every math teacher is. Boom, nailed it. All right, so we've got our final answer because we worked it down from the inside out. All right, so just remember, make sure you answer your final answer to number 6 on the next slide. And basically, I do have some extra practice here, so I will be available for tutoring Wednesday morning if you want to keep going over it. If you want some really good extra practice, I think these have changed. So I think the letter is now a P instead of an O. So I got to confirm that first, but check the announcements on Canvas. And then basically you're going to have some big ideas textbook homework. So it's already going to be listed for you. Just go check that. Thanks for watching these. Hope you have a lovely day.